Hello friends. Earlier we talked about hanging, its definition and types. Now today we discuss what happens when the person hangs. When the person hangs, immediately person does not die. Before death, sometimes certain symptoms develop. Like એની આંખ સામે વીજળીના ચમકારા થાય, પછી એ બેભાન બની જાય, અનકોન્શિયસ થાય અને પછી એની ડેથ થાય. So this is the course of death in cases of the hanging. Now what causes death of the person? Causes of death in hanging. Very first cause is asphyxia. Asphyxia is very common cause of death in hanging. Another cause is cerebral anemia. Venous congestion. Whenever there is venous congestion, the blood supply to the brain is affected and this will lead to cerebral anemia and this causes death of the person. Then fracture and dislocation of cervical vertebra. It is due to external pressure on the neck. It is very important cause. Sometimes when the pressure on the neck is very great, it will lead to injury to the spinal cord or spinal column. We will study later on circumstances of the poisoning or one more type of hanging. પણ તમને ખબર હશે કે જ્યારે પણ કોર્ટમાં કેસ ચાલે, યુ હેવ સ્ટડીડ ધ કોર્ટ પ્રોસિજર, તો કોર્ટ ક્રિમિનલને કઈ કઈ ટાઈપની સજાઓ આપે. વન ઓફ ધેમ ઇઝ સેન્ટેન્સ ઓફ ધ ડેથ. સેન્ટેન્સ ઓફ ધ ડેથનો અમલ કેવી રીતે થાય? અલગ અલગ કન્ટ્રીઝમાં એ અમલ કરવાની મેથડ ડિફરન્ટ હોય. જેમ કે વી એક્ઝિક્યુટ સેન્ટેન્સ ઓફ ડેથ બાય હેંગિંગ ધ ક્રિમિનલ, રાઈટ? સો હેંગિંગ ઇઝ અ method, it is the mode of execution of sentence of death in India. So whenever this type of hanging is called judicial hanging. So whenever there is judicial hanging, there is cause of death injury to the spinal cord or spinal column, right? So specifically injuries occur to the spinal cord or to the spinal column when there is judicial hanging. Judicial means according to law. So hanging is official. Otherwise, to hang the other person is a crime, right? Homicidal hanging is not common or it is not official, it is not legal. But when the criminal is hung, it is a judicial hanging, right? So, injury to spinal cord or spinal column may become the cause of death in judicial hanging. Now, if you get the body with the ligature mark on the neck, and when you examine the body, what you should examine in the body or what you find in the examination. There are two types of finding, external finding and internal finding. We see first external finding. Externally important thing is ligature mark. You will see ligature mark around the neck. As a ligature mark, as we have discussed earlier, you will find abrasion or bruise. It is patterned abrasion or patterned bruise. Now ligature mark depends on different factors. Ligature mark કેવું appear થાય, કેવું દેખાય, એના માટે અલગ અલગ factors responsible છે. જેમ કે first is composition of ligature. We have discussed earlier that different materials can be used as ligature. It can be soft material, can be rough material, it can be rope, sari, dupatta, dhoti, turban, bedsheet, like that, right? So whatever type of material is used for as a ligature for hanging, then depending on the material, ligature mark develops on the neck, right? So composition of ligature is important. For example, if it is thick material, then thick material produces superficial ligature mark. But if material as a ligature is narrow, it will produce a deep ligature mark. So composition is important. Then another factor is how many times the ligature is tied around the neck, how many times the looping is done, whether it is once tied or twice or thrice. Depending on that, you will find the various ligature mark around the neck. The third thing is weight of the person. Suppose if the person who commits suicide is a fat person, then ligature mark will be deep. It also depends on for how long body remains suspended. Usually what happens whenever the person hangs, the dead body is removed from ligature and then put on the earth. So the time period for which body remains suspended may not be longer. But as this period prolongs, ligature mark becomes more marked. It becomes more prominent, right? So these are different factors which will be responsible for appearance of ligature mark, which decides the nature of ligature mark. Then knot. Another important thing is knot. knot એટલે ગાંઠ. ગાંઠ ક્યાં છે એ બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ છે. Wherever the knot is present, the pressure, the force is exactly opposite to it. Knot can be present at the different parts, or you can say at the different locations. Like mostly you find the knot around the occiput on the back side. So when the knot is in the occiput, the pressure is more on the neck. Now front part is a muscular part. When the pressure is more in the front part, ligature mark is more marked in the front part. But suppose if knot is in front, so suspension, the force is more on the back, but back is the bony area, so ligature mark is limited. It is not that much more marked, right? Suppose if ligature mark is on the either side, right side or left side, then on the opposite side you will find ligature mark more pronounced, right? So that is ligature mark. When ligature mark is fresh, ligature mark is not that much clear. But when the time passes, ligature mark becomes more marked. So this was about ligature mark. We'll talk something more next time. Thank you.